Hi and welcome to my video. Coming to you much later this week than usual. We have just been inundated with work, and once that blew over, we decided to take a little getaway to the Atlantic province of New Brunswick. I've never been to the Atlantic before, and I'm a little ashamed of that, having lived in Canada almost my entire life. So we spent a few days exploring the lighthouses, Hopewell Rocks, the coastal city of St. John, and of course the Bay of Fundy. Now that I'm back, I am hoping to get on track with my videos, and that brings me to this week's recipes, which are for two very delicious summer drinks that you can make quite easily at home. And these are probably the most iconic drinks that you would order at an Indian restaurant. They are sweet and salty lassi, which are made from yogurt, but you can of course substitute vegan products instead of dairy products. I'll catch you on the other side of this video. These two drinks will keep you nice and cool this summer. You can make them as single servings, or you can make up a big pitcher if you wanted. And in case you're looking at my straws, let me tell you, these have been getting a lot of attention. Ever since I made that video showing the contents of my fridge, I have really been making an effort to reduce my plastic consumption. And I will talk more about this in a future video, but I wanted to remind you now that July is Plastic Free Month, so any little effort that you can make to reduce the use of single-use plastic items will be so much appreciated by our planet. And you'll feel good about it too. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from me now that I'm back on track. And I will see you next week.